Alright team, hello and a massive welcome back to the channel. It's brilliant to have you here with me today. Get ready because today's topic is only 4 plyometric exercises make you faster than you think. That's right, just 4. We're not talking about spending endless hours slogging it out. We're talking about smart, effective training that gets you proper results. If you've ever watched an athlete and marveled at their speed, their power, their ability to just explode off the mark, then you're going to absolutely love what I've got lined up for you. We're diving deep into the world of plyometrics, and trust me, it's a game changer for anyone looking to boost their speed. Now, who here wants to run faster, move quicker on the sports field, or just generally feel more powerful and explosive in their everyday life? I'm guessing that's pretty much everyone, right? Well, guess what? These 4 plyometric exercises will make you faster than you think, and I'm not exaggerating. We're talking noticeable improvements, and the best part? You can start today. No fancy equipment needed for most of these, just your own body weight and a bit of determination. We're going to break them down step by step so you'll know exactly what to do to unlock that hidden speed you've got locked away. Get ready to feel that spring in your step. So if you're all about building real athletic performance, speed, power, and explosiveness, you're in the right place. This isn't just about looking good, it's about performing better, feeling stronger, and moving with incredible efficiency. We're going to tap into the science of how your muscles can generate force rapidly. Let's dive into 4 simple, science-backed plyo exercises that'll turn you into a speed machine. I'm proper excited to share these with you, so grab your water bottle, find a bit of space, and let's get ready to unleash some serious speed. Come on! Alright, first up we've got a real powerhouse of an exercise: depth jumps. This one is fantastic for building reactive strength. Your muscles absorb force and then bam, explode it back out. Essential for improving sprint speed, jumping height, and overall power. Train your body to be like a super bouncy spring. The quicker you get off the ground, the faster you'll be. It's a fundamental movement for explosiveness. How to do depth jumps? Start with a sturdy box. Stand on the box, step off, and explode into a vertical jump. Imagine the floor is a trampoline. Keep ground contact time under 1/4 of a second. Bounce, don't sink, quick, sharp, and powerful. This trains your nervous system to react instantaneously. Depth jumps supercharge your sprinting ability. They teach your lower body to generate maximum force in minimum time. Common mistakes: stepping too far from the box and landing heavily. Remember, quality over quantity. Next up on our list of speed-boosting exercises is bounding. Bounding is exaggerated running strides, focusing on maximizing distance with each step. Generate serious power with each push-off to improve stride length and coordination. Imagine crossing a stream with far-apart stepping stones. Leap powerfully from one leg, hang in the air, and land on the other leg. Aim for maximum horizontal distance, using your arms to propel forward. Focus on explosive push-offs and controlled landings. Bounding strengthens glutes, hamstrings, quads, and calves, boosting speed. Alright team, exercise number 3 is a cracker lateral skater jumps. Now, we often think about speed in a straight line, but how often in sports or even everyday life do you need to change direction quickly? All the time, right? That's where lateral skater jumps come in. These are absolutely fantastic for building lateral explosiveness, single leg strength, and that all-important agility. Speed isn't just straight ahead, it's about being quick and powerful when moving side to side too. So what are lateral skater jumps? Imagine an ice skater gliding powerfully from one leg to the other. That's the kind of movement we're mimicking, but with an explosive jump. You'll start by standing on one leg, then you'll leap sideways, landing on the opposite leg. As you land, you'll absorb the impact and then immediately explode back in the other direction. It's a continuous, dynamic movement that really challenges your balance, coordination, and power in the frontal plane, that side-to-side movement. To perform these correctly, you want to start with your weight on, say, your right leg, with a slight bend in the knee. Then push off powerfully from that right leg, jumping laterally to your left. As you propel yourself sideways, swing your right arm forward and your left arm back, a bit like a sprinter's arm action to help with momentum and balance. You'll land softly on your left leg, absorbing the force by bending your knee and hip, and then immediately push off that left leg to jump back to your right. The key here is to maintain control and balance, especially on the landing. Keep your core tight throughout the movement. This will help stabilize your body and allow for a more powerful push-off. Try to land softly, like a cat, rather than thudding down. This not only protects your joints, but also allows for a quicker transition into the next jump. Think about distance too. Try to cover a good amount of ground with each lateral leap, challenging your range of motion and power. Our fourth incredible plyometric exercise for boosting speed is sprint starts from a static position. This is all about raw, explosive acceleration. You start completely still, then explode forward into a short sprint. The focus is on that initial burst, those first few powerful steps. It's about teaching your body to explode on command. You can start from a standing position or a three-point stance. The key is to generate maximum forward drive. Drive hard with your legs and arms. This is pure power training for speed. So there you have it. Depth jumps for that incredible reactive bounce, bounding to eat up the ground with every stride. Lateral skaters for agility and side-to-side power, and explosive sprint starts to get you off the mark like a rocket. Just 4 moves, but trust me, they pack a massive punch and can deliver massive results if you're consistent with them. Remember, it's not about doing them every single day, but incorporating them smartly into your routine, focusing on quality, and giving your body time to recover and adapt. That's where the real magic happens, and you'll start seeing those improvements in your speed and power. If you found this video helpful, and I really hope you did, please do me a massive favor and hit that like button. And why not share it with fellow fitness lovers, your teammates, or anyone you know who's looking to get a bit quicker and more explosive. The more people we can help get moving and feeling fantastic, the better. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss out on more workouts and tips to help you on your fitness journey. Your support means the world. Honestly, give these exercises a go. Start steady, focus on your form, and then build it up. Listen to your body. Always warm up properly before you start, and cool down afterwards. You've got this. Adding these plyometrics into your training could be the game changer you've been looking for to unlock that next level of speed. Thanks so much for joining me today. Keep smashing those goals, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep up the great work, you legends.